Yeah, the racing was amazing. At the end, quite a lot of swell and big waves again, like yesterday, but still enough wind to most of the time to be able to fly. I'm sailing the boat with my two daughters. They swap, and with two professionals, and so it's for us it's a kind of family boat. And I mean, it's super fast, but at the same time super safe. So this is what I really like, to be able to compete with really good sailors, and but at the same time to have a lot of fun, because I mean, at the end it is all about fun, and so if the boat is fun itself, it's the best boat you can have.